This is a video demonstration of a basic introduction to the Ghost Solution Suite console and how you can add computers to begin your deployment tasks. When you first launch the console, you notice that there are three main panes. There is the Computers pane, the Jobs pane, and the Details pane. The Details pane will typically display either computer information or job-related information. We will now learn how we can add computers to the console so we can begin assigning deployment tasks. The first method we will learn is how to import computers by importing a properly formatted text file. So to begin, we can select File and then the Import Export option and then select Import Computers. You then simply select the file which contains a list of the computers you wish to import. The file formats supported are XML, text, CSV and IMP file. There is a sample file which you can select, which is contained within the deployment server samples directory. To review the format of the import file, browse to the deployment server samples folder, open up the sample import file and review the fields that are required, the format that is required, and the minimum list of attributes that are required to be populated. The next method of adding computers to the console is by rolling out the deployment agent using the remote agent installer, which you'll find in the Tools menu. You will be required to enter administrative credentials so you can install the deployment agent on the remote machines. Next, you'll be required to enter the install directory and, if you wish, change the default agent settings for the agent rollout. For example, one of the settings you might want to change is the access to the machine. You may want to allow remote access to that computer. Another option is you may want to also prompt the user when a shutdown or restart task is going to occur. Other options you may want to configure is whether you'd want to hide or display the sys-tray icon, and whether you want to enable the log file for troubleshooting purposes. Once you are satisfied with the agent settings that you have specified, click OK and we'll continue to the next step of selecting the computer group that we want the machines to join. Since we have not created any new groups, we're going to add computers to the default group. Next, we get to select which computers we want to roll the agent out to. You can select an individual computer or you can select multiple computers at the same time. You also have the option to import a list of computers by simply importing a text file with a computer record on each line. Once you are happy with your selection, you can proceed with the remote agent install. Once the agents have reported back, you can exit the install. You can now review the computer record created in the console and validate the information against the computer's configuration. This now concludes the video demonstration of a basic introduction to the Ghost Solution Suite console and how to add computers to the console.